Hey guys, it's Chris at Highline Guitars. You're watching another one of my YouTube guitar building videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video, I'll have earned the honor and privilege of your subscription. Well, in today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead of building a guitar, I'm going to dismantle a guitar. Now, why would I do this? Well, a while back, I built a guitar out of an old butcher block oak table. And the table was in pretty bad shape. It was something I didn't want to sell or give away or anything like that or donate. So I decided, why not make a guitar out of it? It'd make for great content here on YouTube. So that's what I did. And I'll post a link to the playlist of all the videos that I filmed during the assembly of that guitar. But I don't feel like I can sell or give away that guitar because I'm afraid that down the road, it might experience some issues since it was made of butcher block oak. At any rate, since all the parts are new, I figured why not just remove everything, take it all apart, and save those parts for another future YouTube guitar build. So why don't you kick back, relax, and watch as I tear this guitar apart. Okay, well, I've got this guitar all stripped down, except for the nut. There, the nut's been removed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this guitar aside. I'm going to use it as a test mule because I have some tools that I'll be getting in soon, and I'd like to test them out on this guitar, specifically on the frets. And once I've done that, I think what I'll do at some point down the road is steam off the fretboard and pull out that truss rod because it's still perfectly good. But some of the other parts, like the bridge and strap buttons and maybe some of the controls, I'm going to use on my 3D printed guitar. So they're not going to waste, that's for sure. At any rate, I hope you've enjoyed this video. So please consider giving it a thumbs up. That always helps the channel. And another way you can really help the channel is if you click the join button. And as a member, you'll have access to videos just like the one you watched, only they're longer and they contain narration which explains what I'm doing in a lot more detail. So I would encourage you to check that out and maybe consider joining up as a member. Also, you can visit my eGuitar Plans website or my Highline Guitars merch store. There's links in the description below. And you can purchase plans for building guitars as well as the tools that we use to make guitars. And you can pick up a t-shirt, a coffee mug, a hoodie. And whatever you spend is going to help support this channel so that I can keep making these videos, building guitars, and sharing my knowledge and experience with you. And of course, if you want to keep it really simple, you can just click the thanks button, leave a tip in the amount that you think is fair. And if you've got a question about building guitars, you can include a question with your tip, and I promise I'll answer it. So, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more guitar building videos.